Yes, I'm so glad I'm living in the old UP. Anything. Hi, this is Jim Islip with MSU Extension, and this is What's Up at UPREC on June 24th, 2020. Today, the crew here at MSU's Upper Peninsula Research and Extension Center is harvesting alfalfa research plots.
Hi everybody, this is James Dedecker at MSU UPREC. Today is June 24th and we are standing out in the field here in our agronomy plot area. And today is alfalfa harvest day. We're taking first cutting alfalfa, and we're beginning with our GRL project, which stands for Green Reduced Lignin. This is a project that's funded by MSU Project GREEEN, and it's looking at the capacity of reduced lignin alfalfa to maximize forage yield and quality in a pure alfalfa system. So the way that this experiment is laid out, we have 4 replications, and it's a randomized complete block design with a split plot. The replications are the 4 blocks you can see behind me. So immediately behind me is block 4, 3, 2, 1 as you go further into the distance. We have a treatment of cutting schedule. So today we're beginning our 28-day harvest schedule. We have a 36 and a 42 as well. So we'll be cutting 7 days from today and 7 days from that to initiate these different harvest schedules. And then within these harvest schedules, we have subplot of 6 different alfalfa varieties, some of them being marketed as reduced lignin. As you may or may not know, one of the challenges in forage production is the balance of yield and quality. So as a forage crop like alfalfa grows and matures, we see an increase in yield and a decrease in quality at the same time. Our alfalfa today is in the late bud stage. We have just 1 or 2 flowers that are showing up there, so very late bud. And I was going around with my peak stick measuring NDF, or neutral detergent fiber, and our NDF is in the range of about 36 or 7 to 41 in these alfalfa plots today based on the peak stick measurements. So hopefully with this harvest schedule and the different varieties out here, we'll be able to determine if these reduced lignin alfalfa varieties allow us to lengthen our harvest window or delay harvest to maximize yield while maintaining quality at the same time.
About how big are these plots, James?
These plots are about 3 feet wide, and I think they're about 20 foot long or so. And we've gone through already today and taking out clippings for alfalfa quality, and also something called mean stage weight, where we're actually staging the stems and weighing the stems. And then we'll come through with the Carter harvester in just a minute here and mow off the whole plot for a yield for each plot.
Andy's weighing these samples and collecting a sample for moisture. Once all necessary data is collected, the excess alfalfa from the plots is hauled off-site and fed to local beef cattle. Results of this study will be published in MSU Forage Specialist Dr. Kim Cassada's annual research report and posted on her website, MSU Forage Connection, at forage.msu.edu. That's What's Up at UPREC on June 24th, 2020. Hope to see you again next time. Yeah, and a cootie geese sandwich like you get 'em in the old UP. Well, I'm so glad I'm